So this free AI automation took prospecting from 60 hours down to 6. I'm going to show you exactly how to build it and help you out. So my name is Liam. I've been a developer for about a decade. I raised over $500,000 for my first startup. I've hired over about 100 people, right? I actually do some of the crazy stuff you see online. Like I wake up at 4:30 in the morning every day. In my past life, I was one of the best rowers in the world. So I use that kind of discipline and grit to help people make more money with code in their businesses. So I've worked with some big names like Make-A-Wish, and some celebrities. But in this video today, uh, you're gonna get free stuff, and you can literally just grab it in the description right now. But we're gonna go through it together. So there is a founder on Reddit. He said he built an AI system that does a bunch of prospecting for him, and it takes like 60 hours manual work down to next to nothing. So I decided, let's make it for free and give it to you. All right, so let's check it out together. So this is on r/saas. My 6-month journey from working 60-hour weeks to let AI handle my prospecting. So this is probably going to sound familiar to some of you. I was running a lead gen agency last year, and honestly, I was drowning. Pretty good copy. I like it. Good job. Emergency. Anybody 306. I had two VAs helping me with outreach and research, but I was still glued to my laptop 12 hours a day doing follow-ups and qualifying calls. The worst part wasn't even hours. It was that most of the leads sucked. I'd spent 30 minutes on a call just to realize they had no budget and they weren't even the decision maker. The moment things clicked. I was messing around with ChatGPT one night, probably avoiding actual work, real, and thought, wait, what if this thing can write decent code and analyze data? Why am I still manually researching prospects? Started small, built a simple script that would actually pull company info and then score leads based on the criteria that mattered for me. Nothing fancy, but then I kept adding to it. Taught it to spot patterns in my best clients, connected it to actually engaging prospects, got it qualifying people before even talking to me. What nobody tells you about AI automation. The generic tools everyone talks about, they're trash for this. True. Um, they're using the same templates for everyone and sound like robots. What actually works is teaching AI your specific process. Like my best clients all had certain traits: team size, recent funding, specific pain points they mentioned, da 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 da. Once AI actually understood this context, it got scary good at finding similar people. But then I decided to make it a product. So Magnet Engine is his company, I guess. Well, not I guess, I see. So he has turned this into a SaaS. He does not have a well, okay, something's going on with this. Oh well, that's not ours. So but I got excited about this and I was like, let's see how we make this for you guys again for free. So this is a starting position. So AI prospecting automation, right? You can configure basically a complete prospecting pipeline that scores leads and then sends personalized outreach, handles follow-ups, this sort of stuff. And my goal is that you can save a lot of time and money. Time and money. Before, it would take a lot of time per lead to actually make sure someone was qualified or not. Now I want this to basically be all AI powered, right? So you'll see it's kind of like a new lead into AI scoring, into a filter, into auto research, into personalized outreach, into like a follow-up, qualified routing, and then you finally schedule the appropriate call. It's a lot of configuring here, right? So, and again, if you want my team to actually handle this for you, like just ping me, reach out to me. But you'll see, you'll need your CRM API key. You'll there's a couple different configurations you can do. Like HubSpot and Salesforce are obviously the big ones. If you're doing coaching or something, maybe use Go High Level. But for email outreach, I love Instantly. SendGrid works as well, but you have kind of your sender info there. You have your enrichment key. So depending on, I can kind of like take us back a second, like what's going on here. So lead enrichment, Clay and Apollo are really some of the big hitters in the space. Hunter's another one. But they will basically look through the company's website and their like LinkedIn or something like this to find more information about the company that you want to be targeting. So say company uh Betty's Cooking Company reaches out to me and wants to work with me, right? You could have, and it's like Betty at bettyscookingcompany.com, right? Is her email. You could have, Clay, Apollo, Hunter, etc. go through and learn, go on the website, learn everything about this company, and then also go through and see what's on their LinkedIn, right? For a lot of these to work, you'll have a webhook. What a webhook is basically just well, without getting like fancy, it's just a way to tell two different code or like systems of code that they want to talk to each other. For scheduling, I think Calendly is super easy. You can also have a bunch of like automated emails come through Calendly. It's like 15 bucks a month. I think it's great. Um, Here you'll have like your lead score threshold, or like basically what type of people you want to be reaching out to. Sometimes maybe you have a really high threshold because you don't have a lot of time in your calendar. Sometimes maybe having a lower threshold is better. And then general settings would just be like what's your actual company name, time zone, that sort of stuff. So once you fill all that in, it'll actually update within this Python file. So it's important to make clear, I don't like this website, this is sensitive information that you're putting in. I don't care about that information. I'm not going to steal your accounts, this sort of thing, right? So all this stays on your local computer. Like when you're plugging in this information, really all it's doing is it's updating within these files. Like you see like your email API key here. By typing into this, it'll update that. So yeah, I'm never touching your stuff. So this is literally 500 lines of code roughly, right? 600 lines of code, or pardon me, 415 lines of code, right? It's creating a little server that will actually just run on your computer and handle this stuff on an ongoing basis. So once you fill in that information, you can click copy code or download. You will need to download Python to get this work. Again, if you just want a little bit of support from me, we can get a server up and running for you fairly quickly, just so you don't have to worry about it. So, but you have a little, what I like to do here, because code is scary. Like automation is scary. You can adjust these to see the amount of money that you'll actually make. So let's say you make $200 an hour. There we go. Let's say you have like even just 50 leads a week, right? And then the amount of time it takes is 30 minutes per lead. What you will end up doing is you'll literally save like 20 grand a month. And that's like if you don't have a ton of leads coming in. So here you have like personalized emails, so you can have fun. This is like kind of an example, right? It's like, oh, they figured out, the AI figured out that there's a Series A. Like these people probably have some dough that they can work with, right? You can send a Slack notification to your team, right? And then have an email that's already been pushed out, or like a CRM entry, right? So you can push this through. For getting started, right, I put down a couple of quick TLDRs of like how you get this running on your internal computer, and you can go from there. So, in conclusion, save time, save money, live a great life. Live a great life. Use code, baby. If on a side note, if you are making $25,000 or more, I would love to do per month. I would love to give you free stuff, even more free stuff. Literally, like I could do custom coding for you, or my team could do custom coding for you, like between $3,000 and $500,000, or $3,000 and $5,000 for free, totally on me. So feel free. You will see a link in the description to learn more about that. Outside of that, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.